Picture stepping aboard a floating resort where Mediterranean flair meets cutting-edge design, where the chandeliers sparkle like jewelry and the promenade glows day and night. That is the kind of first impression the MSC Grandiosa tends to deliver. She is one of the flagship vessels in the MSC Cruises fleet, and she carries a reputation for blending European sophistication with serious entertainment firepower. For travelers who want a big ship experience without losing that touch of continental charm, the Grandiosa often lands near the top of the shortlist. She sails primarily around the Mediterranean and Northern Europe, and she has built a loyal following among cruisers who appreciate style, value, and variety in equal measure. The question is whether she truly lives up to the hype. Over the next few minutes, this review will walk through everything from the staterooms to the spa, the dining rooms to the show lounges, and even what it feels like to wander the famous indoor promenade after dark. Whether someone is planning their first cruise or their 15th, there is plenty here worth knowing. So settle in and get comfortable because the Grandiosa has a lot to unpack. Starting with where guests actually rest their heads, the stateroom lineup on MSC Grandiosa covers just about every budget and travel style imaginable. There are interior cabins for those who plan to be off exploring all day, ocean view rooms for travelers who want natural light without the balcony price tag, and a generous selection of balcony staterooms for those who consider a private outdoor space non-negotiable. The interior cabins are surprisingly comfortable for their size, with smart storage solutions, a small seating area, and bedding that many guests describe as far better than expected. They make a strong case for couples or solo travelers who view the cabin as a place to sleep rather than a destination in itself. Even at the entry level, the design feels modern and uncluttered. Step up to an ocean view or balcony category and the experience changes considerably. The balcony cabins in particular are popular for sailings through scenic regions, where waking up to a coastline rolling past the window becomes part of the daily ritual. Furnishings lean toward a contemporary European look with neutral tones, accent lighting, and modern bathrooms. Then come the suites, which take things to another level entirely. Larger living areas, premium bedding, upgraded toiletries, and in many cases access to a dedicated lounge area and exclusive sun deck space all come into play. For travelers who want a quieter, more personalized experience while still enjoying the energy of a big ship, the top suite tiers offer a genuine retreat. One feature that often gets attention is the smart cabin technology. Voice-activated controls and an interactive virtual assistant allow guests to adjust lighting, request information, check excursion details, and even get tips on where to eat, all without picking up a phone. It feels a little futuristic the first time and then quickly becomes second nature. Families and accessible travelers are well looked after too. Connecting cabins make it easier to keep larger groups together, while accessible staterooms are designed thoughtfully with wider doorways, roll-in showers, and considered layouts. The Grandiosa clearly aims to welcome a broad mix of guests, not just one specific demographic. When the appetite kicks in, the dining scene on the Grandiosa really starts to shine. The main dining rooms offer multi-course meals with a rotating menu that leans heavily on Mediterranean influences, though international classics show up regularly. Service tends to be warm and unhurried, with waiters who often remember preferences by the second night. The buffet area is a workhorse during the day, serving up a wide variety of hot dishes, fresh salads, carving stations, pastries, and desserts that change with the meal. It handles the breakfast and lunch rush impressively well, and late-night snack options keep night owls happy. Cruisers who appreciate variety without commitment tend to spend a lot of time here. For those who want something more memorable, the specialty restaurants are where the ship truly flexes. Steak lovers gravitate toward the grill venue where dry-aged cuts and classic sides take center stage. There is also a teppanyaki and sushi experience that delivers theatrical cooking right in front of guests, which tends to be a favorite for both date nights and family celebrations. Italian cuisine, as one might expect from MSC, is taken seriously across the ship. Fresh pasta, wood-fired pizza, and regional specialties feel like a love letter to the brand's heritage. There is also a chocolate-themed venue that puts dessert front and center, which has become something of a signature draw for sweet-toothed travelers. The bar scene matches the dining variety. Guests can settle into a refined lounge for craft cocktails, enjoy a glass of wine in a relaxed wine bar, sip espresso at a coffee venue, or grab a beer in a livelier pub-style space. There is usually live music or a pianist somewhere on board in the evenings, which gives each bar its own personality. Themed dinners and special events pop up throughout each sailing, often tied to gala evenings or regional celebrations. These are the kinds of nights when guests dress up a little, share a toast, and make the kind of memories that turn into stories long after the cruise ends. It adds a sense of occasion that more casual ships sometimes lack. Heading topside, the pool and sun deck areas of MSC Grandiosa are designed for a wide range of moods. The main pool zone is the social hub, with music, deck parties, and plenty of loungers around the water. On warm sailing days, it has a real holiday resort buzz, and it is one of the easiest places to meet fellow cruisers. For those who want a quieter scene, adults-only spaces offer a calmer atmosphere away from the splashing and laughter. These areas tend to feature more comfortable seating, attentive bar service, and a peaceful soundtrack that makes it easy to lose track of an afternoon. They are the sort of spots where a paperback and a frozen drink can occupy hours. Whirlpools are scattered around the pool decks, perfect for soaking with a view of the ocean rolling past. There is something timeless about easing into a bubbling tub as the sun sinks toward the horizon, and the Grandiosa makes it easy to do exactly that. Several whirlpools cantilever out for particularly memorable views. Families with younger guests appreciate the dedicated splash and water play zones where kids can burn off energy in a safe, supervised-feeling environment. Water slides add an extra thrill, and they tend to draw both kids and adults who still believe in the joys of a good slide. The ship strikes a strong balance between fun and relaxation up top. When the weather turns, the indoor pool areas and covered spaces keep the party going. This is especially valuable on Northern European itineraries where the climate can be unpredictable. Guests rarely feel cheated out of pool time, even on cooler days. Beyond the pools, the activity menu on the Grandiosa is honestly impressive. Sports facilities include a multi-use court for basketball, soccer, and volleyball matches, along with jogging tracks for those who like to keep up with their routines at sea. There is also a bowling area which always tends to draw a crowd, especially in the evenings. The fitness center is well equipped, with cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment overlooking the sea through floor-to-ceiling windows. Working out with an ocean view has a way of making the treadmill feel less like a chore. Group fitness classes run throughout each sailing for those who prefer guided sessions. Entertainment is one of the strongest pillars of life on board. The main theater hosts large-scale production shows that lean into music, dance, acrobatics, and visual storytelling, and they are generally polished enough to compete with any major cruise line. Multiple performances each evening mean guests rarely miss out due to seating. Beyond the headline shows, the ship is full of live music, lounge acts, comedy sets, and themed parties that spill out across various venues. The atrium often becomes the heart of the evening, with performances that ripple up several decks worth of guests watching from the railings. It feels less like a venue and more like a stage with the whole ship as the audience. There is also a strong digital and interactive side to the entertainment. Virtual experiences, simulator-style attractions, and family-friendly games centers keep things fresh for guests of all ages. Trivia, dance classes, language sessions, and cooking demonstrations round out the daily program, so there is rarely a dull stretch. Cultural and educational programming shows up in smaller ways too, with art displays around the ship, enrichment talks on certain itineraries, and craft workshops popping up on sea days. None of it is overwhelming, but it gives curious travelers something thoughtful to dip into between meals and shows. For travelers who view a cruise as their chance to truly unwind, the spa and wellness area on the Grandiosa is a serious draw. The spa offers a long menu of treatments, from classic massages and facials to more specialized therapies focused on detox, anti-aging, and deep relaxation. Couples treatments are a popular choice for romantic getaways. The thermal area is one of the highlights for spa fans. Saunas, steam rooms, heated relaxation loungers, and hydrotherapy features come together to create a true wellness journey rather than a single treatment. A day passed to this area can stretch into one of the most relaxing experiences on the entire ship. Beauty services round out the spa with a salon offering hair styling, manicures, pedicures, and other grooming services. Many guests book ahead of gala nights to look their best for photographs and dinners. Barber services for the gentlemen ensure no one feels left out of the pampering. Wellness goes beyond pampering, with yoga and stretching classes available at certain times during the sailing. These sessions are often held in calm, light-filled spaces that suit the mood perfectly. Personal training and fitness consultations are also available for guests who want a more structured plan during their trip. The general atmosphere of the wellness area is intentionally tranquil, with soft lighting, gentle music, and staff trained to keep the pace unhurried. Even just walking through the spa hallway can feel like dropping the shoulders and exhaling. For many cruisers, this is the part of the ship that turns a holiday into a true reset. Families traveling with children and teenagers will find that the Grandiosa puts real effort into keeping younger guests entertained. There are dedicated kids clubs split by age group, so the youngest toddlers play in a space designed for them while older children get activities suited to their interests. The supervision and structure give parents a chance to enjoy adult time without worry. Programs for kids typically include arts and crafts, themed games, character experiences, and active play. Partnerships with well-known children's brands often add an extra layer of fun, with themed nights and play areas that feel a step above what kids might expect. It is the kind of programming that makes children want to return to the club rather than be dragged there. Teenagers, who can be a tougher audience, get their own dedicated lounge space. It is designed to feel a bit more grown-up, with social areas, gaming, music, and organized events such as parties, sports tournaments, and group outings. Many teens end up forming friendships across the week that last well beyond the cruise. Family activities outside the clubs add another dimension. Family pool time, evening shows that all ages can enjoy, and shared experiences like bowling or arcade games make it easy to spend quality time together. The Grandiosa is one of those ships where multi-generational groups, from grandparents to grandkids, can all find their groove. Of course, the destinations matter as much as the ship itself, and the Grandiosa is known for sailing through some of the most desirable regions in Europe. Mediterranean itineraries often include calls at historic and sun-soaked ports where guests can wander old town centers, sample local food, and soak up centuries of culture. Each port tends to leave a different impression. Northern Europe routes open up an entirely different flavor, with stops that can include grand harbor cities, dramatic coastlines, and culturally rich capitals. These voyages are popular with travelers who want a mix of urban exploration and natural beauty. The ship feels especially cozy when she is cruising through cooler waters. Shore excursions cover the full spectrum, from gentle walking tour and panoramic bus rides to more active outings like cycling, kayaking, snorkeling, and hiking. Food-focused tour, wine tastings, and cooking experiences are also crowd favorites for cruisers who like to taste their way through a destination. There is genuinely something for every energy level. For families, kid-friendly excursions ensure that everyone gets value from the day in port. For couples, romantic options like sunset sails or private guided tour add an extra layer of memory. And for independent travelers, the ship's ports often allow easy do-it-yourself exploration on foot or by public transport, which can be a great way to save some money. Stepping back to look at the Grandiosa as a whole, the overall impression is of a ship that punches well above her weight in terms of style and entertainment. The design feels modern without being cold, lively without being chaotic, and elegant without being stuffy. It is a careful balance that not every big ship manages to strike. Strengths are easy to list. The variety of dining, the depth of the entertainment, the strong family programming, the welcoming wellness facilities, and the smart cabin tech all stand out. Add to that the value-focused pricing that MSC is known for, and the appeal becomes clear, especially for travelers who want premium touches without paying luxury fares. There are some softer spots, of course. On peak sailings, popular venues like the buffet and main pool can feel crowded, especially during weather-driven shifts indoors. Service can occasionally feel a little uneven across departments, particularly when language differences come into play, though most guests find the staff genuinely warm and willing. Drink packages, specialty dining costs, and excursions can add up quickly if guests are not careful with their planning. That said, with a little forethought, it is entirely possible to enjoy an excellent cruise on the Grandiosa while keeping the bill under control. Most returning cruisers feel they get strong value for their money. What truly sets the MSC Grandiosa apart from the wider cruise field is a combination of features that feel uniquely her own. The signature indoor promenade glowing under an LED sky-style ceiling becomes a destination in itself, with bars, shops, restaurants, and live performances strung along its length. Strolling it after dinner is one of those small rituals guests look forward to. The European flair runs through the design, the menus, and the entertainment style in a way that gives the ship a distinct personality. She does not try to be a floating American resort or a budget-friendly party boat. She feels like a stylish European getaway with the scale of a modern megaship behind her. The smart cabin assistant technology was ahead of the curve when it debuted, and it still feels modern in everyday use. Combined with the ship's commitment to environmental innovations, the Grandiosa offers a forward-thinking experience that many competitors are still catching up to. For tech-curious travelers, that adds an extra layer of appeal. The exclusive suite area for top-tier guests is another standout. Having a quiet enclave with private lounge access, a dedicated sun deck, and elevated service inside a large mainstream ship gives travelers the best of both worlds. They can join the buzz when they want it and retreat to calm when they do not. For business travelers, special interest groups, or large celebrations, the Grandiosa also offers flexible event and meeting facilities. Spaces can be configured for conferences, themed gatherings, weddings, or milestone parties with audio-visual support and catering options to match. It is not the first thing most guests think of, but for those who need it, it is a genuine asset. This makes the ship a strong choice for incentive groups, family reunions, or destination celebrations that benefit from a combination of travel, entertainment, and meeting space. Hosting a gathering at sea has a way of creating shared memories that a hotel ballroom simply cannot match. The Grandiosa handles that role with confidence. Finally, the guest experience highlights are what tend to linger most after a cruise on the Grandiosa. Many guests speak about small moments of service that elevated their trip, like a waiter quietly remembering a child's favorite drink, a stateroom attendant leaving a thoughtful towel animal at turndown, or a bartender who made a regular customer feel like an old friend. Other highlights show up in the bigger picture. Watching a sail away from the top deck as the city lights fade behind, catching a show that genuinely surprises, or settling into a long Italian-inspired dinner with new friends made on board. These are the moments that travelers describe when they get home and try to explain why a cruise feels different from any other vacation. The promenade after dark, with its illuminated ceiling, lively bars, and crowds drifting between venues, has become an iconic memory for many guests. So has waking up to a brand new port outside the balcony window, knowing the day's adventure is just an elevator ride away. The Grandiosa does a remarkable job of stringing together these small joys into one cohesive experience. So is MSC Grandiosa worth booking? For travelers looking for a stylish, entertaining, family-friendly cruise with European character and strong value, the answer leans confidently toward yes. She is not perfect, but she delivers an experience that feels generous, modern, and memorable. For many guests, one sailing is rarely enough.